Tally Robo-advisor for honest review. Watch before using. Tally is a financial app designed to help users manage and pay off credit card debit more efficiently. While it incorporates automated features similar to Robo-advisor, it's important to note that Tally is not an investment platform, but rather a debt management tool. And here are the key features about Tally. So, tablet the robo-advisor for your debit. These features analyze your credit card balance and interest rate to recommend a personalized pay-off plan. It aims to analyze your payment to reduce interest charge and expedite debt repayment. And also for eligible user, Tally offer a line of credit with a lower interest rate than physical credit card. This credit line can be used to pay off higher interest card balance, consolidate their debt into a more manageable and cost-effective payment. And Tally automates the payment process by determining the optimal amount to pay towards each credit card, ensure timely payment, and helping to avoid late fees. And here are the pros or the favorable part of this website. So by automating payment and providing personalized strategy, Tally simplifies the process of managing multiple credit card debit, and also access to a lower interest line can reduce the overall interest paid on credit card debt. And also it automates payment to help ensure that minimum payments are made on time, preventing cost late fee. And here is the downside. Not all users will qualify for Tally line of credit, particularly those with lower credit score. And also Tally focuses solely on debit management and does not offer investment services to all portfolio management. And here is the final verdict, which is the final conclusion. Tally serves as a valuable tool for individuals seeking to manage and reduce their credit card debt through automation and personalized strategies. However, it is essential to recognize that Tally is not an investment platform but a debt management services. Users looking for investment opportunities or portfolio management should consider dedicated robo-advisor or investment platform.